You tell me the right thing. Oh, 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 you tell me the right thing. Oh,
Hello everyone, and welcome to the first episode of In My Humble Opinion,
where we bring to light matters and perspectives that, in our humble opinion, you should be aware of.
so that you can sound like a smartass on a Twitter comment section.
Very useful.
So before we start, how is everyone? Everyone good? Well? Healthy?
अबे पैंडेमिक चल रहा है. Don't add insult to injury. Okay, that's like asking Modi about his stand on the Godhra riots.
दोस्ती बनी रहे, अपनी दोस्ती बनी रहे. I'll be happy. You came here, I'm happy, I'm thankful to you. I have no problem.
So, moving on. We are here to talk about something that is not at all a compensation for our last joke.
Congress party and the exit of Sachin Pilot.
No, sorry.
अबे शॉर्ट चल रहा है.
I know.
अबे बाद में. यार मोनेश यार. क्या?
उनका reconciliation हो गया. They made peace
Pilot
with
के
the
साथ?
Pilot and Congress.
That's okay, because we are here to talk about something else entirely. We are here to talk about a bigger pattern, which is
Yes, the near exit of Sachin Pilot from Indian National Congress is not the first time a powerful and an influential politician has been unhappy with the Congress party. Many before him have been dissatisfied by the way Gandhi family have treated them and decided to leave.
now why this is worrying is that if Congress continues this pattern, then okay, why don't we show you instead of tell you? Come, Monish.
Anya,
Monish, come!
this is not part of the script.
Leave!
Where are we?
Just wait, Monish, wait.
Don't they make a memorial for things that are...
Yes, but just wait. Excuse me.
Hello?
हाय सर, हमें एक्चुअली कांग्रेस की हिस्ट्री के बारे में थोड़ा रिसर्च करना था.
अब ये तो सही, कितने दिनों के बाद किसी को देखा है. हमारे आलिशान जगह को देखिए.
Anya,
Yeah.
this is the memorial of the party. Congress went extinct.
Yes, and if you shut up, we'll find out how and why. सर, हमें थोड़ा शटडाउन के बारे में बताइए ना पार्टी का.
हाँ ये तो सही, सब बता दो.
ये 1000 का नोट. पहले 1000 का नोट मिलता था.
हम क्या कर सकते हैं? अब एक ही रूलिंग पार्टी, एक ही गवर्नमेंट, एक ही प्रधानमंत्री. अब उन्होंने ये मेमोरियल किया है, सब फंडिंग उन्होंने किया है.
हाँ, वो तो दिख रहा है.
आप वो छोड़िए सर. Monish, look at these words. How this word pronounced, sir?
Now I'm conscious.
वो तो जरूर सर ही जाने. उनके साथ वो राज भी चला गया. वो जाने चाहिए. को पार्टी का इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए था ना. ये देखिए.
Wow,
Wow, yeah.
fathers of our
ये वो देख,
country.
गांधी, नेहरू, वल्लभ
चंद्रबाबू.
भाई. Yes.
This is really amazing.
I don't know, यार. I can't really makes me really proud of our country.
हाँ. सारी रात से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. ये देखो सोनिया मैम, क्या पिक्चर है, क्या क्लास.
सर, ये कौन है?
अरे वो छोड़िए ना, वो पप्पू है. अब हर खानदान में कुछ गलतियां होती हैं. अब वो देखिए ममता बनर्जी.
अरे हाँ, ये
तृणमूल कांग्रेस की.
West Bengal की CM.
Yes, यार.
वो हमारे साथ थी,
ऐसा?
छोड़ के चले गए.
वाह. ओके. और ये शरद पवार, वो तो शिवसेना के साथ.
वो भी हमारे साथ थे.
वो भी कांग्रेस में थे.
पर उनकी कोई सोनिया मैडम के साथ कोई फॉरेन पॉलिसी में डिसएग्रीमेंट हो गई और फिर चले ही गए।
सर ये जगन मोहन रेड्डी और सिंधिया उनका बताइए ना।
उनको सीएम का सीट चाहिए था, सोनिया मैडम ने सख्त मना कर दिया।
इसका मतलब ये सारे के सारे लोग पहले कांग्रेस में थे?
हाँ, सब चले गए। हेमंत बिस्वा शर्मा, विश्वनाथ प्रताप सिंह, चरण सिंह, सब चले गए। सब ने सोनिया मैडम का दिल तोड़ दिया और सोनिया मैडम ने रोका भी नहीं, जाने दिया। अगर रोकते भी क्यों, गांधी है वो, देश चला सकती है।
सर चला सकती थी।
That was very creepy, yeah.
I know.
Anyway, so you see what we mean, right? Every time a leader has tried to climb up the ladder of the Congress party or disagreed with the Gandhi family, they have been subdued to a point that they've realized the only way to win is to leave.
And this has given like massive blows to Congress. अभी आप लोग सोचोगे कि भाई पार्टी है, पॉलिटिशियंस है, लोग आते जाते रहेंगे, but
That's the point, yaar. The people who have left the party are not only powerful, resourceful, and influential, they've gone on to win big for other parties who are more than happy to give them their due.
exactly. Sharad Pawar, once a part of Congress, now helps Shiv Sena run the Maharashtra government. Jagan Mohan Reddy, after being declined the post of Chief Minister in Andhra Pradesh by Sonia Gandhi, he resigned from the party, formed his own political party, and now, after 10 years, he's the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, removing Congress from that entire area. Hemant Biswa Sharma, after leaving Congress, he has literally removed the presence of Congress from Northeast region while working for BJP. Jyoti Aditya Scindia, after resigning from Congress along with 22 MLAs, he's now an MP in Rajya Sabha from BJP. And Rahul Gandhi, after losing the 2019 elections, he's joined RSS. Now, 1 out of the 5 statements is not true. You figure out which one.
Senior leaders in the party were also very upset about Sachin Pilot's possible exit.
Yes. Take this tweet by Shashi Tharoor, for instance. So the tweet says, I passionately believe that our country needs a genuinely liberal party headed by centrist professionals committed to inclusive politics and respectful of India's pluralism. All of who believe in the founding values of the Republic must work to strengthen Indian National Congress and not undermine it.
हो गया?
Yeah.
इतना ही था?
हाँ.
थरूरी है?
पक्का
मुझे तो सब
100%.
समझ आया. Oh my god. Now you know this guy is upset just by the fact that you can understand each and every word of that tweet.
And it's not just Tharoor. Other senior leaders like Kapil Sibal, Chidambaram have spoken about this. Like this.
So let us tell you why this is a cause for concern.
Funding.
Abbe bol, get some balls.
Don't go on the balls there.
Bol de.
Yeah, the BJP government, the current ruling party, which become a majority in the parliament. अभी यार पार्लियामेंट में मेजॉरिटी बनना is not an issue, वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. But when you become a majority in the parliament and pass things like demonetization, 370, ट्रिपल तलाक, उसके साथ साथ इकोनॉमी भी डुबाते हो और ऊपर से जीडीपी भी नीचे जा रहा है, तो फिर
बस हो गया.
no, the other things we mentioned.
नहीं.
Mob lynch. Problem with protest. Problem.
Suppressing religion. Okay.
The BJP government has become increasingly powerful, and there is no strong opposition to sort of keep it on its toes, keep a check on what it is doing.
Yeah. But right now, all Congress is to BJP is content for memes, guys.
Like this one by Amit Malviya.
So, okay, established ho gaya, Congress needs to do something. But who inside the party is responsible for such self-destructive behaviors? a lot of fingers point to Sonia, who doesn't allow young blood like Scindia and Pilot rise up in the party, fearing that they might outshine her darling Rahul.
In fact, when Rahul stepped down from the post of Congress president, Sonia was again made a temporary leader for the time being until a new leader was elected. This happened a year ago, and still no elections have taken place to determine the Congress leader, the Congress president,
Yeah.
leaving a vacuum of power at the top, which, by the way, in the words of Mr. Shashi Tharoor, is making the party look udderless.
A word we don't know. So Monish, what is udderless?
Basically, udders are cow nipples. So according to Mr. Shashi Tharoor, instead of making the party look like this, Sonia Gandhi is making the party look like this.
I think this only goes to show that in Indian politics, it is all about the cow. So what is Sonia waiting for? Why can't she, in the very least, elect a permanent president for her own party?
The rumor has it that she's waiting for Rahul to change his mind so that once again a Gandhi can be at the top of the power in Congress.
Monish, do you think he is going to change his mind? I mean, look at that face. Look at those sad, desolate eyes. All this guy wants to do is take pictures of his dog without being told, drink his whiskey and watch Game of Thrones जो उसका 2018 से बाकी है. Let him be, guys. For God's sake, his strategy for Congress in the 2014 elections was to accuse BJP of corruption.
That's like Karan Johar accusing of Sonia Gandhi के ये nepotism थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो रहा है आपके पार्टी में. ये नहीं चलेगा. But it's not his fault.
Yeah.
It is not Rahul's fault that he does not have the conviction of a political leader.
Yeah.
I mean, he was forced into this. Can you not relate to this guy? आप बताओ, how many of you ended up being engineers when instead of pursuing your passion for painting, photography, dancing, because your parents said this?
परंपरा बेटे, परंपरा. दादाजी गए थे, मैं गया था, भैया गए थे.
So Congress, here's to your good health.
Here's to hoping that you realize that the growth of your party lies outside the Gandhi surname.
Here's hoping that we don't lose you, because we'll miss you. We'll miss learning the new words. And most importantly, without you, we're one big racist lotus.
Here's to hoping that you get well
soon. Hi guys, if you like this video, please like, follow, subscribe, send to everyone in your WhatsApp groups, families. Really help us out. Our set budget is so bloody low. Our glasses are empty. Thanks.